Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a track, something like ambient or lo-fi ambient genre. I copied some chords, melodies, etc. from the track called Snowfall. Maybe you know this track by the track by Øneheart and reidenshi. Yeah, sounds really cool. It has really cool and dark atmosphere, but I decided to make more sounds in this track. I decided to make a breakdown, I decided to make beats, and this track become more more interesting. I love this track Snowfall. You can hear it in a lot of short videos on YouTube or something, or other socials. Let me show you the track. I'll play it, the whole track, and then I'll explain what I made here, and I'll explain all the procession I used. Okay, let's go. Okay, something like that. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. So let's start from the beats. I used just a loop. I didn't want to use some beats or breakbeat, I don't know, but I decided to make it. It's just a loop. And by the way, I made high frequencies cut because it's lo-fi, and I decided to make it less bright. For example, it sounds like that. It also sounds like a lo-fi beat, but I decided to cut more high frequencies to make something like a tiny beat. I decided to use this one first, but I thought it sounds a bit old, something like an old down tempo tracks, and now beats more modern, I think, here, and I decided to make beats. Yeah, then we have something like a bass or riz or sub pad, I don't know, it sounds like that. It sounds like a bass actually. Then we have pad. Yeah, these chords are used from the track called Snowfall. I just copy it. By the way, I'll upload this project to my Patreon page. If you want to download it and make something like by your own, don't forget to change the chords, don't forget to change melodies, etc., because it sounds like a copy. It sounds maybe like my remix actually. It's something like my version of this track, and it's just you must change these chords and melodies if you want to make something like by your own in this genre, and if you want to use my project. That's what I mean. Okay, we have here something like a high pad. I just used higher notes of the main pad, copied them and paste. Yes, something like that. Then we have this filtered piano. Something like that. By the way, you can hear vinyl noise when I play some of the instruments. This noise is from let me check. It's from here, because I used retro color for one of the channels, and when you play some of the some parts of the track, you can hear this noise from here. Yeah, something like that. By the way, this noise gives to the track this atmosphere and analog vibe. So we have here one of the melody. Yeah, it sounds like a bell, and we have here something like an arpeggio. Something like that. By the way, I used here, it's a fourth channel, I used just equalizer and OTT. I used OTT to make the sound more fat, and I used equalizer to cut some high frequencies, because, as I said, it's lo-fi. Yeah, then we have here, we have pad, piano, and this arpeggio. It's a 6th channel. Let me show what we have. Actually, I didn't cut some high frequencies because the presets I used in Serum or Nexus sounds already without bright notes or something, and I decided to cut low frequencies here. And the melody, we have the melody, really cool melody by the way, and I used Serum for that. It sounds something like that. I don't know if I copied this melody right, but I just used my ears to figure out. And let me show you the preset. Maybe you want to make something like that, the track something like that, and let me show something like a teaser of the presets you can find also on my Patreon. But let me show you. It's the sinus, and you see I used noise. It sounds something like that. I use distortion, reverb and delay to make more atmosphere here, and noise gives to this preset a more analog vibe. I think sounds really cool. Then we have this melody here. Yeah, and I used here equalizer, delay and reverb to make more atmosphere, of course, and I also cut it low frequencies and high frequencies here. Yeah, then I used something like a melody for breakdown and for outro. Something like that sounds really cool. Here I used Nexus to make a rain effects. By the way, I just typed the rain here, and I found all presets that contains this word. Of course, I don't need train or something like Brainbook. I just saw rain at my menu, and when I played this preset I thought, wow, it sounds really cool. I don't need to find some rain sounds on Splice. I have it in my Nexus. It's really cool. Yeah, then we have something like a texture. I decided to make automation here, something like I automate the volume from the start to the end. Sounds like that. You can use other textures, it's up to you of course, but I decided to use this texture. I like how it sounds, and as you see, I didn't use so all the sounds from the track Snowfall. As I said, it sounds like my version. Yeah, and I made the track something like in the style of this track, not the copy, but I really like how the main plug sounds. Yeah, let me show something like a vocal effects. As you hear, originally it sounds more bright, and I decided to make less high frequencies to make it more in lo-fi direction. And we have this reverse crash effects. It sounds tiny bit, so I decided to make it, because you don't need to use it, of course, but I decided to use it. It's slightly, very slightly on the background, something like that. So guys, what do you think about this version? Do you like it or no? I don't know, and I don't know what to say. Anyway, let me know in the comments your thoughts, and Mencha was here. Bye bye guys.